Today we talk about how can you change your home name on your My Home app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in reverse, you just click on profile down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on additional settings, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on manage homes, you just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on home name, you just click on it. And here can you change here your home name, and you click on OK, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.